Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Street Glide with 36,599 miles runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and has been upgraded with Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, Love Jugs cooling fans, an LED headlight trim, a Clockworks windshield, a luggage rack, a Mustang seat, a rider backrest, chrome switch housings and switches, chrome reservoir covers, chrome levers, rear fender trim, chrome radio trim, grips, and an intake cover. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 77 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 175 to 220 mile range. It has a 26.3 inch seat height and a 773-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Street Glide will need steering issues addressed. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, a paint chip on the fuel tank, scrapes on the saddlebag and the exhaust, and scratches on the front fairing. This bike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional warranty coverage, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.